Be a hero. First aid saves lives. We all want to help when someone gets hurt. Knowing first aid is like having a superpower. You can be the difference between a small accident and a big problem. It's easier than you think to learn the basics. You don't need to be a doctor to save the day. Knowing what to do in an emergency can help you stay calm. When you're calm, you can think clearly and act fast. This helps you and the person who needs help. First aid is about being prepared for anything. Simple steps for scary situations. Choking can be really scary. If someone is choking, they might not be able to cough or speak. First, encourage them to cough. If that doesn't work, give them 5 firm pats on the back between their shoulder blades. Then give 5 abdominal thrusts, the Heimlich maneuver. Repeat this until the object is dislodged. Bleeding is another common emergency. If someone is bleeding, the first step is to stop the bleeding. Apply direct pressure to the wound with a clean cloth. Elevate the injured area if possible. If the bleeding is severe, call 911 immediately. Your first aid toolkit. Be prepared. Every home should have a first aid kit. This kit should be kept in a safe and easily accessible place. Check it regularly and replace any expired items. Here are some essential items to include in your first aid kit. Bandages, different sizes for cuts and scrapes. Antiseptic wipes to clean wounds and prevent infection. Pain relievers, such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Gloves, to protect yourself from infection. CPR face shield, for performing CPR safely. Stay safe, learn more. First aid is an important skill for everyone to learn. It empowers you to help others and potentially save lives. Remember to stay calm in emergencies, act quickly, and don't hesitate to call 911 if needed. There are many resources available to learn more about first aid, including classes and online tutorials. Be prepared, stay safe, and be a hero.